Ladies and gentlemen, very good evening. I'm Deepthi Sachdeva with you. This has been a day of fast-paced developments after the alleged letter from Parambir Singh to the Chief Minister. Now, the Maharashtra Home Minister has countered the allegation by saying that Parambir Singh wants to shield himself. And the BJP now is demanding a central agency probe. Here are the developments of the day. And then we debate. And also remember, we have lots of breaking news already coming in on this edition of the news. But first up, this is all that has happened on the day so far.
March 5th, hours after Mansukh Hiren was found dead, former API Sachin Waze was spotted at the hospital where Mansukh Hiren's post-mortem was being conducted. Interestingly, just 2 days before the death, Waze was taken off the Antilia case probe. Then what was Sachin Waze doing there? The NIA will look into the developments because the central agency is now investigating the Mansukh Hiren death case as well. And the political tremors are now being felt. Just minutes after shunted police officer Parambir Singh's letter became public, Maharashtra Home Minister tweeted, and I quote, "The former Commissioner of Police Parambir Singh has made false allegations in order to save himself as the involvement of Sachin Waze in Mukesh Ambani and Mansukh Hiren's case is becoming clearer from the investigation carried out so far, and threads are leading to Mr. Singh as well." The BJP is now demanding action.
हमारी मांग है कि तुरंत गृह मंत्री महाराष्ट्र इनको उनके पद से हटाया जाए, या तो वो इस्तीफा दे या उनको हटाया जाए और इसकी निष्पक्ष जांच ये तुरंत की जाए, इस प्रकार की हमारी मांग है।
The controversy is making national headlines.
कि महाराष्ट्र के गृह मंत्री इस्तीफा क्यों नहीं दे रहे? ये जो वसूली रैकेट अपनी तिजोरियां भरने के लिए महाराष्ट्र की सरकार चला रही है, उस सरकार के मुख्यमंत्री उद्धव ठाकरे जी की क्या जिम्मेदारी है? वो अभी तक कुछ बोले क्यों नहीं?
And the Aam Aadmi Party is asking pertinent questions.
कि हमारे जो कमिश्नर थे परमबीर सिंह, जब उन्हें एक खबर मिली तब क्या कर रहे थे? उनको क्या ये बात अभी याद आई जब उनका ट्रांसफर हो गया? हमें एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल करना है इस सरकार से, पिछली सरकार से और पुलिस एस्टैब्लिशमेंट से, कि मुंबई में क्राइम क्रिमिनल्स कर रहे हैं या मुंबई पुलिस और मुंबई पॉलिटिशियंस कर रहे हैं?
Will Wazegate ruffle more feathers and impact the political situation in Maharashtra? Bureau Report, Republic TV.
Atul Bhatlakar is an MLA of the BJP in Maharashtra. He's joining us on the broadcast along with Savio Rodrigues, chief editor of the Goa Chronicle. Dr. Vikram Singh is a former DGP of the state of Uttar Pradesh, and he holds some very, very strong views on the entire issue. Chandni Shah is an advocate and social activist, also live with us. Sandeep Singh is an author and columnist. Gurmukh Chaudhary is an advocate, and Sanjay Chadha is also an advocate on the broadcast from Delhi. And Ratnakar Tripathi, senior leader of the Congress party, is completing our panel. And to Chandni and to all gentlemen, please do allow us some space because we'll have to cut across to a lot of breaking live updates as and when they happen. So what we'll do first up, I want to take this to Ratnakar Tripathi and then Dr. Vikram Singh. Ratnakar Tripathi ji, you represent the Congress party, sir. What is happening in Mumbai? It worries all of us. It worries all citizens today. They want to know what is happening. How deep is this rot?
The rot is very deep. The iceberg which was mentioned earlier is coming out. It is now floating. I earlier told Dr. Goswami 2 days back, hurry back, that this is just the tip. Everything will come out. I told that the person who is sub-inspector only, assistant police inspector, had been given the charge of Mumbai crime intelligence unit. For what? Vikram Singh ji will deliberate you about it, that nobody, no two-star can get even a charge of the Thana, the police station, but he was given. And now it is all open. The only thing which I can say is that Anil Deshmukh never read Godfather. Don Corleone never dumped Luca Brasi. And he dumped Parambir Singh. He dumped Waze. He will suffer. I always say, see, I am in Congress. I stand by Congress. But it is not that if something goes wrong, I will defend that. There is no word encounter specialist in the police vocabulary. It is extortionist. It is shooter. It is killer. It is the collector of the money. That is what Waze and Parambir Singh and everybody is doing. He categorically has sent a letter to the Chief Minister. It is also called Peshbandi in UP. He knew the very first moment when he was transferred that he is going to be arrested, he is going to be suspended, he is going to be, prosecuted. So this is called Peshbandi. Anil Deshmukh, he has just taken in a trap, a right trap. I believe him. I believe him that he had got instruction to collect 100 crore rupees per month. That day, Dr. Goswami said that ye arthik rajdhani hai. That is what happening here. Ask Vikram Singh ji, how rotten is the police system? That is why I say I don't believe the police. Whenever you also take, the side of the police, I don't go along with it. I don't go along with it. In 1950, Justice A.N. Mullah said that the Indian police is the biggest organized band of criminals, and any criminal gang doesn't match the crime record of the police. So never go.
No,
never
but you know, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, I will just differ a bit. I will just differ a bit. You know, Vikram Singh sir, by saying that ye to hota hai, ye hota rehta hai, ye hota tha, it does not mean that you normalize this.
I'm not saying that hota.
I mean, we are sitting live on television today, and this is such a huge allegation that is being thrown out today, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, at a possible nexus between the netas and the cops.
Listen to me. I won't take this charge from you. I am an honest person, a person of repute.
No.
I can't take this charge from you.
We appreciate that, sir.
I am saying, I have never said this happens.
No, we appreciate that, sir. But I just want to know today. No, are you then, sir, before Vikram Singh comes in, are you then admitting that yes, there possibly was a nexus between the cops and the netas?
No, I am not saying there possibly was a nexus. I always say, there a nexus exists between the politician, police and the criminals. That's the way the things run. Please, educate yourself, madam. Go in the society, you will find they don't file the cases of rape 3 days before one girl immolated before UP Chief Minister's house. Because nobody was filing the FIR. It's not the case of the Uttar Pradesh. It is the case across the nation. That is what I'm saying. It existed, it is existing, and it will exist. The only thing is, which I said, that when you try to become a Don, Anil Deshmukh, you must read the paragraphs of the Dawn.
Okay, Ratnakar ji, there's an important breaking update. We are cutting across to Niranjan for that.
Congress party. In fact, as Ratnakar Tripathi, he's also from the Congress. From the Congress party, Rashid Alvi, not sure whether you can consider him an official voice of the Congress party, but he's certainly a Congress leader, a spokesperson he's saying that he's asking, why is Parambir Singh speaking now? Congress party asking, why is Parambir Singh speaking now? Congress party also saying that resignation should be handed over. Congress party responding as we speak, saying, why is Parambir Singh speaking after he was transferred? Congress party, that is Rashid Alvi, saying that allegations on Deshmukh is a matter of investigation. Congress party saying truth should come out. Congress party saying ye Congress party ka izzat ka sawal hai. Rashid Alvi speaking. Congress party saying police officers should be suspended till the investigation is done. Congress party saying BJP will try to use this, but the allegations are right or wrong will come up in the investigation. Quick news update that I wanted to give to you. I think you have a lot of panelists and very limited time, so I'll hand it back to you, Deepti, as you take this forward with the rest of the panelists.
Oh, yes. Oh, absolutely. The rot is deeper. Is that not? Vikram Singh, sir, apologies. We just had to cut to Niranjan for that breaking update. But where do you stand on this entire issue? I mean, what should we today as citizens be doing? Should we be asking questions of the government?
Deepti, I had imagined the rot to be much deeper. Now I would say that the cancer is more malignant than I had ever imagined. I have never seen such scandalous corruption in my life, in my career as a police officer. And my first thing, you have to be cruel to be kind. This cancerous part of the body has to be removed immediately surgically. Maharashtra demands sacrifice of Paramveer, sacrifice of the Home Minister and everybody who's complicit in this well-greased oil machinery of exploitation and extortion. This scandalous proportion of corruption. Mind you, unless we have a zero tolerance to corruption, which we did not, Paramveer's letter is of no consequence. He was a police commissioner. He was duty to have ensured that he could have lodged an FIR. He could have given an application that he wanted to move out. He did nothing of the sort. And to be a mute spectator when you are privy to a horrendous crime like this means that you are complicit and are equally liable and also accountable for the crime. Therefore, Paramveer cannot absolve himself and wash his hands of the case. One, they should be handed over to the CBI for investigation of every person, not just the tip of the iceberg. The entire iceberg must be put into the scanner, the MRI and the CT scanner. Anybody who has been a part of this racket for years together should be held accountable. His property should be attached and should be vested with the state. Now, Rome was not built in a day. This edifice of corruption was built brick by brick, assiduously with criminal intent.
Okay.
And anybody who was privy to
I think what we are breaking is the
it.
first response that possibly has come from the Sena. I think we must connect with Niranjan on that. Niranjan, what are we hearing from the Sena?
Breaking news from two more political parties. Two more political parties responding to the story. Two more political parties. Sanjay Raut, first response of Shiv Sena. Shiv Sena MP met Sharad Pawar a few days back in Delhi. We reported about that meeting. Sanjay Raut saying, rather pretending that he does not know what the letter is all about, but saying the government will look into the matter. Sanjay Raut's first response, I don't know what the letter is all about. Government will look into the matter. There are senior leaders in the government. They will look into the matter. I repeat, he says, government will look into the matter. There are senior leaders in the government. They will look into the matter. First response from Sanjay Raut. Varis Pathan of the AIMIM, very interesting, smaller parties. Aam Aadmi Party questioned both Paramveer Singh and Anil Deshmukh and the government. Varis Pathan saying that, and the AIMIM, Owaisi's party saying Antilia case getting murkier. After this letter, basically just quoting the developments. But let me tell you, the Sena saying that the government will look into this and there are senior leaders in the government and they will look into the matter, realizing the gravity of the issue. It's not a small development. And like many leaders have been saying, it's a matter of shame, Dipti. It's a matter of shame that these allegations are flying around. Let me tell you, the last 11 years that we have been in Mumbai, I can tell you that I've never seen something like this. And as murky as this, it's really gotten out of control.
Yes.
It can't get any worse. I'm handing it back to you. I'll keep coming back every time there's a breaking news update. Let's take this forward.
Yes. And as brazen as this, as murky as this, is that not, Savio? And then I'll also get in Chandni and Gurmukh. But to you, Savio, Anil Deshmukh today has spoken about two important things. He says the Vaze role is clear in both cases. That is the Antilia case and the Mansukh Hiren murder. Savio.
It is absolutely shameful, Dipti, that Maharashtra and in particular Mumbai and its people have to experience such a high level of corruption that goes up to the Home Minister. Besides the 100 crores, the most other important aspect in that letter that Paramveer Singh sent to the CM is the changing of a suicide to an abetment to suicide on the MP, which nobody is looking at. So you have a Home Minister that's actually directing the Mumbai Police Commissioner.
There is no proof as of now.
On a case.
He has just leveled allegations.
That is what is written in the letter.
Gurmukh, we let Savio complete his point, then I'll allow you to respond.
There is no proof.
I am going by the letter.
Gurmukh, just give 10 seconds to Savio to complete his point. Listen, there will be a lot of noise, but we have to stick to facts. This is extremely sensitive, very, very important, Gurmukh. So I please request your attention, but I want Savio to complete his point.
It is a letter. It's mentioned by him in his letter. So if you accept the allegations of 100 crores, then you must also accept the second part of the letter, which talks about a suicide being registered as an abetment to suicide. And he mentions there for his political gains. So you have a home minister that's directing the Mumbai Police
WhatsApp chats.
Based
He
on
has
that letter,
mentioned
to go
about WhatsApp
about
chats in his letter.
changing
Where are the WhatsApp
the
chats?
entire
Why has he not
situation
appended the
of the
WhatsApp
truth.
chats?
The
Why has
corruption
he
in
not
Maharashtra
appended the
and
WhatsApp
Mumbai
chats?
stinks.
You answer this.
The corruption
No.
stinks. This
Why
government
has he not
must be
appended the
thrown
WhatsApp
out.
chats?
This
Where is the
government must
WhatsApp
be
chats?
thrown out.
Where are the
This
minutes of the
level
meeting he has been a part of?
This level
He
of corruption,
is just trying to
this
save his
level
skin.
of corruption
He
cannot be
is just trying to
tolerated
save his
in
own
India.
skin by leveling
This
allegations.
level of corruption cannot be tolerated in India.
There has to be a
Parambir
proper
Singh,
investigation
the Home
in this
Minister
regard.
Deshmukh, Waze, all should be out. You cannot tolerate it. Parambir Singh in his letter is saying that if you accept 100 crores, you have to accept the other one as well. The allegations are made. Let the government
Where is the
prove it.
evidence? Who is
But the fact
accepting?
is that
Who
he's
is
made the
accepting?
allegation.
Who is accepting the transaction
There
of
is the
100 crores?
fact is
So
that
Who is
Gurmukh,
accepting
That is
Gurmukh,
what
let
the
me
police
understand this.
investigation.
What are you
Gurmukh,
saying?
are you
The police
questioning the letter?
do my
Are you questioning the letter, Gurmukh? Are you questioning the
rubbish are you
timing
talking
of the
about?
letter, or are you questioning the person who apparently has written this letter?
Bloody corruption-filled state.
First and the foremost, madam,
It's
I
states of
question the
corruption.
letter because he has not appended
Yes.
any evidence in his letter. He is just trying to save his own skin because he was superior to Mr. Waze. And he has to do that.
So you-
Otherwise, he will bear the brunt and he will be under the axe. He has to save his skin. But that there has to be a proper investigation
He is still
and
under the
law
axe.
will take its course. How can you say that Mr. Deshmukh was involved?
Okay, but how will
can you
that
say Mr.
investigation
Deshmukh
happen?
had-
Before I take
if
this to
someone
Atul
today says
and
Gurmukh
also
accepted
to
100 crores, that doesn't mean
also
that is the
Chandni,
truth.
I think,
There
has
to
been
be
wanting
some
to come in. Gurmukh, tell me something.
Listen, Chandni.
Can this investigation continue
I think-
with Anil Deshmukh as the Home Minister, or what the Congress and the other Aam Aadmi Party and the other smaller parties are saying that he has to go before an independent
Why not,
investigation
madam?
even happens,
Why
Gurmukh?
not, madam?
Anil
Why
Deshmukh
not?
has to go.
Why not? Had there been an
Anil
iota of
Deshmukh has
evidence
to go.
submitted
What, why
by
not?
Mr. Parambir,
Can I also
then
comment,
Anil Deshmukh
please?
would not have
Are you out of your
continued. But
mind?
now he drops him.
The Home
What
Minister
stops
Yes,
is
him?
GD
not the
Bakshi sir,
allegation.
I'm just coming to you, sir.
Home Minister must be sacked.
Gurmukh,
How can you
you
sack
believe that
someone on a
the current
statement
Home
of a
Minister
person who
can
has
continue
been
in the
just
wake of all
transferred in
these
a big
allegations?
case?
Only yes or no? Only yes or no?
No, not at all. He can continue
Okay, he
as the
can't
Home Minister
continue,
until
says
there is a
Gurmukh.
proper
Let me now get
investigation
in.
to
Let
that
me get in,
effect.
Atul.
No,
Let
no,
me get in,
no,
Atul.
no,
Atul,
no, no, I'm
and then
saying
GD
he
Bakshi
can
sir
continue.
also has been wanting to come in. Atulji,
The Home
Atulji, okay, we have a breaking update, so I'll have to go back to Niranjan. Atulji, I'm coming back to you. Niranjan, what's the update?
We have so many panelists today, and the thing is, there are so many breaking news updates as well. Let me tell you, as of this minute, there was just a soundbite that came in of Sanjay Raut once again saying that whatever it is, senior leaders of the government will talk over it, and he does not want to talk over it. So very situation, you're very fragile, the situation right now. Let me tell you, Sanjay Raut, who often is outspoken, says whatever it is,
Yes.
senior leaders of the government will talk over it as the Maharashtra government goes into a huddle. There's a meeting that is on between the Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray and also the Chief Secretary. Top bureaucrats are present at that meeting. Another breaking news update, Raj Thackeray has responded. Raj Thackeray saying that the charges are very serious. Raj Thackeray saying that Maharashtra's image has been dented. Maharashtra's image has been dented, and that heads must roll. So that's a breaking news update that I have. I'm coming back to you as you go to Atul Bhatkalkar and General Bakshi. Over to you. Back to you.
Yes, Atulji,
Anil
it's the image of
Deshmukh,
Maharashtra that is, being dented. Everyone is worried.
This is the darkest period in the history of Maharashtra, when serving DG is writing letter against the Home Minister, and that is also allegation of extortion money, 100 crore per month. And the argument put forward by somebody on this panel that there should be inquiry first. Same argument was put forward by Anil Deshmukh in Sachin Waze case. And now same Anil Deshmukh is now saying that Sachin Waze is totally involved in murder case and Antilia case. So there should be inquiry of Anil Deshmukh. He should be sacked with immediate effect. Chief Minister of Maharashtra should come forward and talk with the people of Maharashtra. What is happening in the Maharashtra? And who took back Sachin Waze in the service? Who has given Sachin Waze so much power? That should be also investigated.
Okay, so the
That is my
BJP
demand.
believes that this is a fit case for Uddhav Thackeray to respond. Atulji, GD Bakshi also has been wanting to come in. GD Bakshi, sir, what is your reading of what has happened, sir, so far, and what possibly could happen now? Because the story is getting bigger.
Look, what is happening in Maharashtra is an utter disgrace. You know, there is no smoke without a fire. We've been seeing that smoke. One death after another being termed as suicide with police complicity. Disha Salian gets thrown from the 13th bloody story and suddenly we are told it is a suicide. Her friends, Sushant, SSR, that is a suicide. And there are drug cartels involved. There are a whole lot of mafias involved. Have they handed over the state of Maharashtra to Dawood and the ISI? What nonsense! First you select such tainted officer, you do it with a motive because you want your dirty work done. Then these people, because they have political patronage, these people start thinking they are God. Right? They can, if Disha Salian opens her beak, she will be murdered, it will be thrown as suicide, whatever. SSR, suicide, murder and suicide. And if Kangana Raut opens her mouth, her house will be busted, she'll be driven out of Mumbai. Arnab tries to take up these cases. Arnab is hounded out of Mumbai. So they are feeling on top of the world. Now they decide to take on Delhi, cock a snook at Delhi. This whole caboodle, this absolute illegal mafia. You can't have a government reduced to a mafia. And if, whatever be his precedents, if an officer of the rank of DG, serving officer, in writing, make some charges, they bloody well have to be investigated. And a proper investigation demands that minister must resign. You are making
all
a
right,
mockery
GD
of
Bakshi
us in front of the
says
world.
this actually
you
warrants
can kill
a full
anybody you
investigation. Absolutely, sir. Okay, strong words there.
By
Chandni
the
Shah,
center,
Sandeep Singh,
by the
Sanjay Chadda
CBI.
haven't spoken.
I totally agree.
Yes. Gurmukh, I will just come to you. But what we'll also do, as I go to now Chandni, is I'm requesting my producer to play out that one exclusive video, Chandni, that Republic has been able to access. This is from the hospital where the post-mortem of Mansukh Hiren was happening. Now, there was no business of this man called Sachin Waze to be present there, but he apparently is seen in those videos. He's seen in that CCTV footage. We are playing that out on our screens. Chandni, what does that mean?
Yes. This is a classic example of whatever is happening. It is a classic example of, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. The day you stop, I stop. Like the ATS had more than 24 days. These all CCTV and all. Like NIA came and within a few days, the CCTV from the hospital, the CCTV from where the van was parked, everything came out. And surprisingly, such serious accusations on a sitting home minister. The ex-police commissioner is putting such serious allegations on home minister. And the question, that remains is that had this fiasco not happened, would this ever come out? Or had they been, scratching each other's back for all the time? So this is the right time for imposing presidential rule because this political vote, it is on the verge of thinking. And there is not one iota of trust that the public now has on this government. The government should come clean. It is the moral obligation of the Home Minister and the Chief Minister to step down from their position right now until it is resolved.
Chandni, that's a good point that you make. I want to take that to Sandeep and then Sanjay ji, I'm going to come to you. Sandeep, how can you trust a government like this is what Chandni is asking. She's saying that how can people today in Mumbai, people watching this story in Maharashtra even trust their cops? Is that a feeling that you actually align with?
Well, nobody trusts this government. This government was formed by fooling people of Maharashtra. BJP had got the mandate. So nobody trusts this government in Maharashtra. They were just in power. Just look at 2-3 points. The car bomb didn't blast, but the letter bomb has blasted. And just imagine, during recession, one minister is extracting 100 crores just from restaurants and pubs and bars. During normal time, this amount will be 1,000 crore a month, and annually 12,000 crore rupees. That gives you a picture of one minister from one industry extracting 12,000 crore annually. And these are the guys who would say that the economy is doing bad. This government should be dismissed. In fact, with the immediate effect, there should be income tax inquiry against all the ministers and the policeman because he kept quiet. And also now we have to believe that what everybody said, that Sushant Singh Rajput was killed. Now, earlier we used to think it could be 50-50. Now it's very clear that he must have been killed the way they have killed Sachin Waje's friend. If an inspector can kill his own friend, Sushant Singh Rajput could have been killed very easily. So this thing opens a lot of issues because these are the same commissioner and it was the same home minister during Sushant Singh Rajput's case also. So everything needs to be explored and it can't be done when these two people or this government is in power.
That's an allegation you are leveling. That's an allegation you are leveling. I will, put out that caveat. Before I come to Sanjay Chadha ji, I want to go to Niranjan. He has a quick breaking update for us, Niranjan. I think there is an important development that Niranjan has got a better sense of. So let's go to him now.
Well, this is so interesting. It's getting so interesting this morning. I want to play out that one visual because Republic is the only channel that has that visual of Sachin Waje at the hospital. I want to play that visual of Sachin Waje at the hospital where Mansukh Hiren's post-mortem was being conducted, okay? Imagine this, on the 3rd of March, he's taken out of the Mansukh Hiren case, right? Out of the Antilia case. On March 5th, the day Mansukh Hiren is found dead and he's not on the case, he landed up at the hospital and was there during the post-mortem. Those pictures are also on the screen. That's him there on the screen. What was he doing there? And as he saw the cameras come to him, he's walking away, he's talking to a few people. So this video came in some time back. And let me tell you, as we speak, another breaking news update coming in, that the Chief Minister and the Thackeray family will stay in Varsha Bungalow. The security was beefed up a few minutes back. Security has been beefed up. And we're also given to understand, as of this minute, there is a breaking news update that after Aditya Thackeray tweeted that he had tested positive, getting in breaking news now that RT-PCR tests will be conducted at the residence of the Thackeray's. This is a breaking news update coming in. I just want to quickly come in and tell you that as far as the update from the Chief Minister's office, we were given to understand that initially there was a meeting, but we are told that that meeting may not happen. The Thackeray family will stay at Varsha as Aditya Thackeray has tested positive. RT-PCR test will be conducted in a short while from now.
Okay.
That's an update that is coming in. Interesting. I'm just giving you all the developments as they come into the newsroom. Handing it back to you for now.
Okay. All right, Niranjan. And in fact, I want to take it away from that one video that our producers were playing. This is what happened at the crime scene yesterday. The entire recreation. Our colleague Alisha was there till late in the night. So let's have that video there. And let me take this question now to Sanjay Chadha ji. No, the video of the recreation of the crime scene outside the Antilia is what we'll play out now. There it is. Sanjay Chadha ji, this is all the recreation that happened by the investigative agency, the NIA. I mean, just look at this. Look at what lengths an investigation has to go. Because every loose end, Sanjay ji, has to be tied. How are you reading into what has happened so far on this entire case?
Deepthi, you have very rightly said that the entire scene is recreated. NIA, the most, one of the most premium institute which is investigating it, and we have no doubt about it that there will be any stone unturned to see that the truth comes out. That is one aspect. Second, very important thing is the video where how Waje was there where the postmortem was going on. All these things. This shows that yes, there was something wrong. And now, as one of the participants here has said, that it was a letter blast. So I must say this blast is there now. And this should be investigated thoroughly. My respected, most Adarniya, officer, Vikram Singh ji is there. I must say, whatever he said, He is today, his face I could read. He was in pain. He could, such officers are there. The most decorated officer of this country is saying that this is a painful thing which has happened.
Okay, I'll just have to interrupt you, Sanjay ji. We are breaking one more important detail. I think this is the first official response from the NCP, Niranjan.
Yeah. I'm sorry for coming in every few seconds. I'm just getting in another breaking news update from the newsroom here. Jayant Patil, very senior leader of the NCP, speaking. In fact, it's on our surface cameras. So we'll bring you that feed. We'll bring you that feed in a few minutes from now. Jayant Patil has said, and I quote, concerned people, first NCP official response outside of Anil Deshmukh, of course. Jayant Patil saying, that is the NCP saying, concerned people should face investigation. It will happen. NIA is probing the matter, and also the ATS. State government has a clear stand on the matter. Action will surely be taken. First official response from the NCP, that action will be taken and that the NIA is probing the matter. Concerned people should face investigation and it will happen. As we speak, in fact, that briefing came in a few minutes back. The video quality is very poor, but he's addressing and it's being streamed live on Facebook. We will get you the response as and when. But for now, I'm handing it back to you so that you can take this forward with a big panel on the breaking news story from Mumbai.
All right, Niranjan, thank you. Sanjay ji, apologies. You can complete your point, sir. The NCP officially now saying that officers responsible must be punished. The first official response that has come in from the NCP now, Sanjay ji.
Thank you very much, Deepti. But I was telling you the grave state of affairs. The crime is committed and such a way the criminals have been protected. This has to, some strict action is required. And if the strict action is not taken, what message will be there for the masses? So today is the date when there is a need that a strictest possible action should be taken against these criminals, against these people. And I wanted to tell you, all these politicians have to be now, what NCP's statement has a relevance? No relevance. The law is supreme, whether it is Prime Minister or the person who at the lowest bend of the anywhere. So law is supreme.
Okay.
These people have to
Sanjay ji,
learn this
we'll just have to make way for a quick break. We are just making way, gentlemen, and Chandni, for a quick break. But I think one thing is good, that all of us agree that this rot is deeper and the fact that we need to get rid of this. On the other side of this quick break, we continue our discussion and yes, more breaking updates, so don't go anywhere. Welcome back. There is one more important breaking update. The Maharashtra Home Minister is all set to sue Parambir Singh after the letter that actually has been doing the rounds. Niranjan breaking more details of that detailed statement that has been issued. Niranjan.
Well, it's getting more and more curious here in Mumbai. Let me tell you that the Home Minister has issued a very detailed statement saying that Parambir Singh's allegations are false. He says allegations are false. He says there is a conspiracy hatched to discredit me and discredit the Maha Vikas Aghadi government. He says, I would like to draw your attention to the following important points. And he says, Parambir Singh is lying. And he puts down a full series of points. I'm going to read out some of the key points. He says, point number one, why was Parambir Singh sitting quietly for so many days after Sachin Vazee was arrested? Why didn't he open his mouth back then? He says, after realizing that you will be removed from the post of the commissioner, on the 16th of March, you call on ACP Patil, ask some questions on WhatsApp chat, and then got the answers that you expected. So he's questioning, and of course there is a valid question that anybody would ask, that even we would ask, why is it that only the 16th of March chats are being shown, right? He says it's part of a larger plot by Parambir Singh, and he says through this chat, Parambir Singh wanted to collect evidence systematically. He says on the 18th of March, Parambir Singh tried to create evidence of a conversation on WhatsApp. Again on 19th March in order to save himself after I said that he had been removed from office due to some serious allegations against him during the program. He says everyone in the police department knows. Anil Deshmukh says everyone in the police department knows that Sachin Vazee and Sanjay Patil ACP are close to Parambir Singh. Parambir took the decision to reinstate Vazee, who had been suspended for 13 years in his own right. He says Parambir Singh has made these false allegations to save himself. He says Parambir says that Sachin Vazee met Parambir Singh in February and told him all this. Why didn't he speak in February? He says after realizing that we could get him into he could get into trouble in the explosive case, Parambir Singh has tried to blackmail the government by making such false allegations. He adds, and I quote, it's a conspiracy hatched by Parambir to derail the investigation into the explosives case and the suspicious death of Mansukh Hiren. He says Chief Minister should hold an impartial inquiry into the allegations made by Parambir Singh. That's Anil Deshmukh's statement. And, Jayant Patil of the NCP, who spoke a few minutes back, also said the real question is who planted the explosives and who's behind the killing of Mansukh Hiren. The story is getting very interesting. I'm handing it back to you for now. Back to you for now. We'll take a short break and come back. Dipti.
Oh yes, charges versus counter charges, Niranjan. The story is far from over. Heading into a quick break. Back on the other side with lots more.